this is a God-given, beautiful world. Exploring and adventure, kind of what I'm looking for. My name is Mike. Join me on my channel, Into the Art 365.
Hello.
Hey, Monty!
Hello.
I need to get out!
Count me in. The mountains are calling. Where are we going?
Yeah, I don't know. Go for a drive? Explore maybe?
Where?
I was thinking Bainskloof. Pick you up in 20.
Let's go.
So that's kind of how most of Monty and my adventures start. No proper planning, no proper research, no proper packing, but we're hitting it out somewhere. Today wouldn't be any different. And as you'll see, it turns out quite well.
Massive, eh?
A lot of water, eh?
Massive. I've never seen it like this.
Did you put them there or were they in the water?
Like it.
Were they there?
Yeah. Yeah. Hey, you're lucky, eh?
Lucky!
Wow,
Lucky!
with this waterfall.
Trying to see if we can find a tunnel or old tunnel entrance that Bain was trying to build, but it constantly collapsed, so they stopped the project here in Bainskloof. And it's somewhere at Harvey's Water, where we are at the moment. Yeah, exactly. But we don't see anything yet. It's just a quick explore anyway. It's not we haven't done our research on it yet. Kind of research on the fly. Monty and the ongoing saga of the lost glasses. I wonder if we are going to get home with a pair of glasses today, guys. I really wonder. Now I'm going to show you where it is. Just look at this. I mean, come, just look at this. Look at this. This is Monty in the Protea. Now, with the man here, so I don't get accused for saying stuff I shouldn't. You can see how excited Monty gets over the baboons.
Good morning, sir. How are we feeling today? On top of the world? Good. Bye-bye. See you next time. Good. Yeah. Better rock for that.
Which monkey are we referring to? The one with the blue shirt or the one on the sign? So we're just standing at the start of Happy Valley hiking trail, which is Monty tells me it actually goes all the way to Worcester from here, which is a long way. I mean, what's that? It must be a good 30 k's, 40 k's at least.
Yeah.
So a couple of days, and but this is part of exploring, is finding these things, and then you know in future that you can actually come and do something interesting. You know, something that you haven't seen before, haven't explored before. So we're at it's Tweede Tol, sort of where the houses are. So where the first toll was for the original Bainskloof. There's still a lot of houses here, and one can actually hire these houses. And then there are a few people who live here as well. And then obviously we'll get to the top of Bains from here. So then we can actually have a look at it. So the actual kloof, we'll have a look at it now.
We spent 3 hours already. We haven't
even got to the kloof yet. So we just found a whole lot of more trailheads, and just to make Monty happy, the river is actually called Baboons River, or Beyond's the river, so he's thrilled.
Very happy.
Finally, Monty has lost his glasses. I think this is now the third time. Well, we kind of know where we went. Monty, I don't think you must push the envelope now.
No, this is it.
Third time lucky. Leave it in the vehicle now.
No. Nuts.
Yeah, if you stop and smell the roses, you find stuff that you wouldn't normally see.
Yes, Mr. Bains.
1853, so I was right. Yeah.
The Bainskloof Pass was built by Thomas Geddes Bain between 1849 and 1853, and he used mainly convicts to achieve this. He was not only an engineer or road builder, but also the superintendent of the Brederrivier convict station that was situated at Waterfall, that later became Tweede Tol. He used up to 1,000 convicts to build the pass. The convicts were mainly, a high percentage were mainly Khoiman, but there were men from Irish, French, Dutch, Malayan and American descent. Bain only used large stone blocks and smaller stones to build up the retaining walls that were up to 20 meters to support the road surface in the Bainskloof Pass. No cement was used, and even up to this day you can see the retaining walls, and they have stood the test of time. The pass was opened in 1853 by Borchardt, and he had one of the bridges named after him as you exit the Bainskloof Pass direction Woolsley.
Here are still some old names engraved, not the painted ones that you can see, but unfortunately you can't make out the names anymore, but there were a couple of carved out names in this rock face here originally. Takreis is preekstoel, so that's a lectern that's used in a church, and this was where they held Sunday services when the convicts were building Bainskloof Pass. So every Sunday they'd gather under this little overhang that you can see just over here, and they'd have their Sunday services here as they carried on dynamiting their way down the pass. Yeah, one has to stop and slow down and have a look. That's the thing, that's the key. Don't race through. Lunch stop. We found the site that we want to be in, and yeah, hopefully we can do some operations from here. Yay! Fruit slice. Yeesh, we're going
One if you
fancy
can pick that
today.
up, and then
Yeah, so
some chicken.
Fruit slice. Getting spoiled, and of course, coffee.
Who knows how it's going to turn out, but yeah.
Thank you, man. Thanks for organising this.
Plum in, meneer. So this was done in the air fryer.
Cheers, bud.
Yes,
For more adventures.
many more. Thank you,
Lots
Mikey.
more.
We found the spot. This is going to be enjoyable. We read about it, we saw it, we got it on the map, and now we're doing it. It's going to be good.
I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, me too.
This is something I want to do for a
Yeah.
long time.
It's been on the bucket list.
The problem is, how many bucket lists have
Yeah,
you got?
exactly, yeah. So, but at least we'll have
Way
one
too many
list.
bucket lists. And the
Yeah.
thing is, you've got a bucket list one that you want to come to, right? But you've come once, you want to come again.
Okay. There's two ways down there, you see?
Yeah.
Yeah, as well.
So because we're doing a whole lot of water stuff, Monty and I are going to change over to some water shoes and then keep our shoes dry for later on. We've got a bit of abseiling and stuff to do. So yeah, these are always great to have, very quick to slip on, and it's okay if they get wet.
So easy to get on.
Well, your feet are wet already, that's why.
You're a funny one.
They're all the right size for you, eh?
Yeah, we were saying about the easiness of getting this on. Ah, yeah.
There we
The
go.
struggle is real.
This is beautiful, eh?
Yeah.
Sit here all day.
Yeah. Just come here and that's that.
favour, eh? Nice
Yeah.
and shady in places, lots of little pools. We're definitely going to get a nice swim just now.
Can't wait.
Yeah, and the waterfall is going to be stunning as
The
well.
water is actually a nice temperature.
It is. It's not like
Lovely. No.
Kromriver, which I did a week or two ago, and that is icy. But then you must bear in mind this gets sunlight, whereas Kromriver doesn't. You found the pool, Monty?
Yeah.
Lekker. Wow, eh?
Definitely gonna.
Yeah. I'll do this on the way back.
Yeah.
We've got a secret spot that we're going to. And a couple of fish that we've seen every now and
Yeah.
then. Let's see if we can capture. There's one there. There they are there.
Yeah.
There's a whole lot right here.
Yeah, right there. Quite big as well, eh?
Yeah. Let's see if we can capture them without scaring.
Yeah. They're just floating, they're waiting for little insects.
Sorry, what?
I think this must be it though.
No.
I think it's a little bit higher.
Yeah.
So Mikey,
Yo.
to sum it up, I know we're not there yet. How would you sum it up?
Well, I'm looking forward to the swim. I'm getting hot now.
Yeah, me too.
But I love holding out until you get to that epic spot where you really want to be and then cool off. It's always so nice, especially in a hot summer, you know. It's really awesome. So keep it rolling until the movement is finished. Quick, 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 quick. Mike busy lecturing Monty.
And Mike is going to get it.
You know, historically, Monty, you're the one who's got all the photographic archives. And yeah, I'm teaching you what needs to happen. I mean, come on now. What's wrong with this picture? Hands full.
Can I switch off now, Mikey?
Yes. Oh. That happens quick! Gree-gree is not suitable when it's wet. So what we're finding is that the gree-gree is actually hooking on the friction because it's wet. And it's actually causing a jolt in the line. So it's not the best device for this. We'll definitely try another one next time.
Yep, that.
You slipped here. That's
Yeah, that's why I slipped there a bit, yeah. Okay. And then if you put your foot down, then it's okay. One step down. Just one foot at a time though. Yeah.
It's putting the foot down.
Yeah. Yep. Well, it's a controlled slide.
What happens is the push moves as well.
I know, there's a lot of factors involved there. And now that sticky thing to let the rope go.
It gets worse and it gets wet though.
Yep. Hello, Mikey.
Control spin. Wet rope gets heavy quick, guys. Seems like it's hard work coming down a waterfall in the water.
You caught me, okay?
Hey, that was a memory made, eh?
Yes, a few bumps and a few slips.
Oh, I can't wait to see. I can't wait to see where I bottomed out on the floor.
And a few, I saw my bum, but yeah, no, it's perfect.
Oh, it was such a nice adventure.
Lovely, lovely.
Wish you guys were here.
Yeah, for sure. Next time.
Yeah, Monty always wants to go right. Doesn't make him right though.
Yeah.
It makes him wrong. Not left, Monty, right now.
Oh! Right.
Right.
Right. I get it now. Right.
You see, it was left when we were coming up. It's
Now
right
it's
on the way back. So now you're right, not left. Why you take a difficult route?
Well,
Huh?
you don't always make it too. Oh, it's this house spot.
Yeah. No, the waterfall, remember?
Oh, okay.
One lower. It's quite gnarly getting in and out of here though, eh?
Yeah,
This last
is
section.
the way, as you said.
Yeah.
There's a path there.
But that's going right over the top.
No, it's running parallel.
That's what I'm saying, it's going over the top of all of this.
So we're not going up.
No, we're going left.
Now we just like you said right. Now that I want to go right. No, go
Left. It's like a backseat driver in a car, you know?
Yeah.
This is kind of what it is.
Okay.
You the backseat driver is always right.
No?
I mean left.
Okay. Good.
Can't win, eh?
No, no. But you were right that I had to go left here.
We actually didn't come through here.
I know, this is all new.
Yeah,
So this was the way, yeah.
this was the way. Which is what I kept saying.
Which is exactly what you said. But no, somebody just wanted to go right all the time.
Yeah, I wanted to go right.
Yeah, I wonder who. That person is a right-minded person.
Left-minded, you mean? Where are you going?
Oh, yes.
Keep right.
Oh, yes. Right. Is that it?
Here we go. It's strong, eh? So we've come to that part of the day where we have to depart, head on home, and realize that the adventure, as good as it was, has to come to an end. Our reluctance to leave is evidenced by the slow amble up the pass and back on home. It's kind of in silence most of the way, really having thought a lot about the adventure we just experienced. If you enjoyed this episode, please leave a thumb or a comment. Definitely subscribe. It makes a huge difference to helping us out in the channel. And I hope to see you guys in the next one.
I'm a self-destructing force today.
It's like not even 7 in the morning. I think Monty's lost his glasses twice, fallen about 4 times, and he's still going.
Yep. What lies there?
Monty's got baboons on the brain. Everything looks like a baboon right now. And then, of course, the only baboon I can see at the moment.
Monkey business is big business in South Africa. Thanks, Monty. No, man.
Do that again, please. Let's just see you going over cat's eye again.
No, no. I'm putting my glasses in the vehicle and staying. See, that's what it's called.
Today, I disown him.
Now, copy, sir.
You can't tell me that wasn't good. This is a bit of a mess, but